Okay, today I am going to try my hand at J-B WELD plastic weld putty. Never done it before, so I might screw this up or it might turn out really well, I'm not sure. A little backstory, this is my mom's cover plate for the battery on her mobile scooter. After fixing wiring issues on it, I put the bolts back in and I used this because her bolts are known for coming loose. Now, if you flip it over, in that teeny tiny writing, it says it is not to be used in connection with plastic. Well, I learned that out the hard way, didn't I? Extra part is $220 Canadian, and I am not going to spend that. I paid $13 for this stuff. Don't use this on plastic. I'm a bonehead. Now you're going to want to clean it really well first with a degreaser. I recommend using this. This is my best friend. And here we go. Wish me luck. It says here it can set in 20 to 25 minutes. You can sand it, drill it, paint, or saw. So I'm gonna give it a nice new coat of paint once I'm done. Okay, so fast forward to now. I just wanted to try the easier side first to make sure I was doing it right and not make myself look like a complete bonehead if I couldn't get it to work. Well, it worked. I think it turned out pretty good. My mom's impressed. Now, once this is completely cured in about 24 hours, I'm gonna give it a really good sanding to make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I will drill the holes once everything is said and done. I will take another little mini video later on once everything's done and put back together so you can see the final result. So I guess now I'm gonna do this.